Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are looking at how to add a PDF file to your Webflow site. Adding downloadable resources like ebooks or guides used to be a little clunky, but Webflow recently rolled out an awesome update that makes this incredibly smooth. They now natively support uploading PDFs alongside other document types like docs, spreadsheets, and CSV files directly into your project. Let's jump into the designer and see exactly how it works. The first step is heading over to your Asset Manager panel on the left side of your screen. With the recent update, the upload process got a slight tweak to keep things organized. Now, one click opens your Asset Manager, and one more click lets you upload your files straight into it. So go ahead and upload your PDF right there. While you're in the Asset Manager, you'll notice a few layout changes that make finding your documents way easier. The display options have been moved to the very bottom of the panel, and you now have the ability to sort all your assets by file type. This is an absolute lifesaver if your project is packed with images and you just want to quickly filter down to your newly added PDFs. Now that your PDF is sitting in your assets, linking it to your website is super simple. Select the button or text link that you want people to click. Then head over to the Element Settings panel on the right side of your screen, which looks like a little gear icon. Under the Link Settings, click on the File Attachment icon. A drop-down will appear showing all the documents in your Asset Manager. Just select your uploaded PDF from that list. Now, whenever a visitor clicks that button, they'll instantly be able to view or download your file. And that's exactly how you add a PDF to Webflow. Webflow has mentioned that this is just the beginning of some major asset management improvements coming down the pipeline, so there's definitely more to look forward to. If this quick tutorial helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more concise web design tips. Drop a comment below if there are any other Webflow features you're stuck on, and I will see you in the next one.